Today we will discuss about computer-aided drug design, revolutionizing pharmaceutical discovery. Computer-aided drug design is very useful because computer now has become very advanced. Computer-aided drug design is converted into further ligand-based drug design and structure-based drug design. Structure-based drug design have molecular docking, inverse docking, virtual screening. And ligand-based drug design have chemical similarity and quantitative structure-activity relationship that is called as QSAR, quantitative structure-activity relationship. Computer-aided drug design is directed into molecular dynamic simulations and virtual screening as structure-based virtual screening, pharmacophore, ligand-based virtual screening. What is computer-aided drug design? Computational techniques to discover, design, and optimize drugs by simulating molecular interactions at the atomic level. Key components molecular modeling, virtual screening, and prediction of drug properties. Why it matters speeds up the drug discovery process, reducing cost from billions to millions and time from 10 to 15 years to 5 to 10 years. Look at this diagram. When we have target identification, that is comparative homology modeling database search, it takes about 1 to 2 years, and then we go hit identification. Hit identification includes computer-aided drug design that has two types, structure-based drug design and ligand-based drug design. Structure-based drug design has molecular docking, molecular dynamic simulations, and ligand-based drug design has similarity search and silico drug-like screening, QSAR methods, and pharmacophore modeling. It takes about zero point 0.5 to 1 year, then we go to hit to lead identification, and after 1 to 3 years, it's lead to lead refinement and optimization, and after 1 to 2 years, preclinical and clinical studies occurs. That's phase 1, phase 2, and 3. It takes about 5 to 6 years. After 1 to 2 years, drug approved. Then, after drug approval, it go to market. Then we have importance of computer-aided drug design in modern drug development. Accelerates hit to lead. Virtual libraries versus physical high throughput screening. Predicts ADMET early identification of absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, and toxicity issues. Sustainability minimizes animal testing and waste. That's over 50% of recent FDA approvals 2020 to 2025 involved computer-aided drug design saved pharma companies $2.6 billion per drug on average. Historical evolution of computer-aided drug design. In 1960s, quantum mechanics foundations method by Linus Pauling. In 1970s to 80s, QSAR by Corwin and first working program. In 1990s, structure-based design leads to HIV drugs. In 2000s, AI and big data integration. In 2010s to 2020s, deep learning, AlphaFold, and 2021 revolution as a protein prediction. And in 1990, Autodoc was released. Core principles, molecular modeling basics. Sorry for interruption. And let me next to the charger. Core principles that is molecular modeling basics atoms as points with forces, energy calculations via force fields, amber concepts, conformational analysis, energy minimization, molecular dynamics, simulate motion over time, and pharmacophore essential 3D features such as hydrogen bond donors for drug target binding. There's the ligand, there's receptor ligand that leads to docking. Molecular modeling basic. Then we have methods and computer aided drug design, structure based drug design. Focus relies on known 3D target structure from protein drug bank steps, protein preparation, ligand docking, scoring, finding affinity, and techniques. We have molecular docking, fragment based design, and pros high accuracy for enzymes like kinases. Then we had steps decide on protein, number two, visualize target, number three, get small molecules for docking, number four, assess priorities, and number five, docking experiments, analyze results, improved compound design, number eight, further rounds of docking analysis. And these steps are under the design of small molecules. to bind the protein using freely available software. Then we discuss ligand-based drug design uses non-active compounds when target structure is unknown. Techniques QSAR, that is quantitative structure, um, mathematical models linking structure to activity, similarity, searches, and pharmacophore modeling. Example equation activity is equal to F physiochemical properties Ag on log 1 over C is equal to A log P power 2 plus B log P plus C. Pros faster for early stage discovery. डेटा सेट कंपाइलेशन की अगर हम बात करें तो इसमें पब्लिक डेटाबेस प्राइमरी डेटा जो कंपाइल डेटा सेट है हमारे पास सिलेक्ट डेटा सबसेट फॉर इन्वेस्टिगेशन डेटा सबसेट जब डेटा सबसेट आ जाता है तो डेटा क्यूरेशन एंड रिसोर्सिंग प्रोसेसिंग प्री प्रोसेसिंग होती है एंड स्क्रिप्ट कैलकुलेशन फीचर सिलेक्शन डेटा बैलेंसिंग डेटा स्प्लिटिंग एंड मॉडल बिल्डिंग लर्निंग एल्गोरिथम QSR models statistical measure of model robustness. Model post analysis benchmark with previous models and performance evaluation. Identify important features and interpret important features. Then we have hybrid and advanced methods. Hybrids combine structure-based drug design and ligand-based drug design using AI to refine docs, advanced free energy calculations, QM over MM for quantum accuracy, AI role, machine learning predicts affinities, AlphaFold for structured example, generative AI design. टूल्स की अगर हम बात करें तो ऑटोडॉक डॉकिंग पाईमॉल बेहतरीन विजुअलाइजेशन के लिए आरडीकेट एंड कमर्शियल श्रोडिंजर स्वीट ग्लाइड फॉर डॉकिंग एमओई टिप्स स्टार्ट विद ऑटोडॉक वाइना फॉर बिगनर्स अगर आप बिगनर हैं तो ऑटोडॉक से स्टार्ट करते हैं और पाईमॉल भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं फ्री एंड यूज़र फ्रेंडली हार्डवेयर नीड्स जीपीयू फॉर फास्टर सिमुलेशन डेटाबेस ये डेटाबेस है कुछ फ्री हैं अगर हम देखें प्रोटीन ड्रग बैंक ये भी फ्री है अगर ड्रग बैंक ये पेड है ये इनकी एग्जांपल्स हैं फिर हमारे पास वर्क फ्लो जो है कैड के अंदर वो है नंबर वन टारगेट आइडियन वैलिडेशन नंबर टू कंपाउंड लाइब्रेरी प्रिपरेशन एंड स्क्रीनिंग डॉकिंग हेड ऑप्टिमाइजेशन एंड अब्जॉर्प्शन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मेटाबॉलिज्म एक्सक्रीशन प्रिडिक्शन एडीएमईटी देन वी हैव एक्सपेरिमेंट वैलिडेशन ठीक है ये डायग्राम है सेम टू सेम वैसे ही है फिर हमारे पास एप्लीकेशंस हैं हेड आइडिया स्क्रीन लाइब्रेरीज लीड ऑप्शन मॉडिफाई फॉर बेटर पीकेपीडी एंड प्रीक्लिनिकल टॉक्सिसिटी प्रिडिक्शन एग्जांपल एंटी कैंसर थेरापीज में यूज़ हो सकती हैं एंटी माइक्रोबियल्स भी देन हमारे पास पर्सनलाइज मेडिसिन की एप्लीकेशंस हैं फार्माकोजेनोमिक्स टेलेटक्स टू जेनेटिक्स रीपर्पसिंग जैसे कि सल्डेनाफिल फ्रॉम हाइपरटेंशन टू इरेक्टाइल डिसफंक्शन के लिए यूज़ होती है नैनो मेडिसिन सिमुलेट डिलीवरी सिस्टम्स एथिकल कंसिडरेशंस है बायस भी हो सकते हैं सिक्योर डाटा लीड्स टू अनइक्वल ड्रग एक्सेस आईपी ओनरशिप ऑफ एरियाज एंड ड्रग्स एक्सेसिबिलिटी टूल्स कॉस्ट फॉर डेवलपिंग नेशन लाइक पाकिस्तान थैंक यू सो मच if you have any question you can ask me and comments thank you so much